To basic science facts, know the known better. With me, Shobha Krishna Kumar. The world is reopened, but still we all are looking for a world that we had before COVID-19. And that is possible only when a vaccine is launched. In this video, I am going to share with you the latest developments in the vaccine race and when we can get the vaccine and how it works. Around 120 vaccines in the works across the world, of which at least 10 are undergoing the clinical trials. And it is a great news. In this, Moderna's mRNA vaccine acts as the topmost promising vaccine for COVID-19. And this mRNA vaccine is entirely different from that of the traditional vaccines. And scientists, they say that this mRNA vaccine is really promising. Moderna is a US-based company which is developing mRNA vaccine for COVID-19. So I will explain why this mRNA vaccine is such promising. Before that, what are vaccines? Vaccines are not chemicals or medicines. They are the pathogens which is given in the form of dead or attenuated. Attenuated in the sense their virulence character will be weakened, and it is given into our body to strengthen our immune system and to develop resistance against those pathogens. So vaccine development is not that easy and it has to undergo different phases. So the first phase is preclinical studies where they will study with the animals in the laboratory. If that is succeeded, they will enter into phase 1 where they will administer the vaccine for 10 to 100 healthy adults and they will check for the safety. And if it is succeeded, they will enter into phase 2A, which is they will administer to hundreds of people and they will check for the side effects and the development of antibodies in it. And if that is succeed, they will enter into the next phase, phase 2B or 3, where they will be giving for thousands of people and they will check the effectiveness and immunogenicity, means the production of antibodies in them. And then they will enter into the phase 4, which is very toughest phase, where they are going to give it for thousands of people from different types of countries who live in different areas and different lifestyles. Moderna Therapeutics are claiming that they are at the end of phase 1 trial of mRNA 1273. So the mRNA vaccine they are produced as named as mRNA 1273, and it involves 45 volunteers, and the company has said the results were encouraging. On this May 12, 2020, FDA has approved, and on May 18, 2020, the company announced a positive interim phase 1 data. And on this May 29th, 2020, the first volunteer was dosed, and this time they are giving for 600 participants with age above 55 and also the participants with age below 55. So what is their idea is? Their idea is to clear the phase 2 in June, and phase 3 will be carried out from June to December of 2020, and they are expected to this vaccine to available in market within the June 2021. Now, how this mRNA is working, mRNA vaccine is working in our body. mRNA is a molecule which binds with ribosomes in the cell and codes for making proteins. And you all will be familiar with the coronavirus structure, right? So the coronavirus has spike proteins on its body, like the octopus have its limbs. So one of the spike protein is taken from it, and mRNA, which codes for the protein synthesis, was taken, isolated, and it is little modified and inserted in our body with a lipo nanoparticle. And when this reaches inside our body, it will be binding with the ribosomes present in our body and produces spike proteins in our body. Now, our immune cells will recognize it as pathogen and starts producing antibodies to it. And this will be registered in the memory cells of our immune system. Now, when truly our cells are exposed to COVID-19, our immune system recognizes it and produces more antibodies to destroy them. Here, where comes the beauty is, when the spike proteins are produced in our body, that is only spike proteins but not the virulent proteins. No pathogenic proteins will be produced in our body. So we will not get affected by the disease, and also but our immune system will wrongly misunderstand it as the pathogen and starts producing the antibodies. And so why this mRNA vaccine is very promising vaccine. Hope this video will be informative. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.